my channel, any renewer, hi! I asked on my Instagram if I should do a Halloween costume try on haul, and the answer was yes. So I went online to the H&M app and I bought a few costumes that I'm gonna try on, see how they fit. There we go! So I bought 5 costumes in total. So the first thing that I'm gonna try on is the football player. Let's open this up. Okay, so it is shorts. At first I thought it was a dress. It's a one piece, so let's put it on. I got it on and there is a zipper on the back, but it was really easy to close it up myself. I have no idea if it's gonna be easy to get it down by myself, but this part, the top part, is so wide, so I think I should be able to do it. And there are shoulder pads and they're not really comfortable, but I do like it. I mean, it's cute, it's fitted up here around the bottom, and if you want you can even zipper this up a little bit, but yeah, I don't really feel the need to do that because I like it when it's not too tight, so if you eat something you can grow your belly. So the material doesn't feel cheap, it really feels like an actual sport shirt or sport wear, so that's good. Let's see if I can get a zipper down by myself, because yeah. Okay, we're good. And when you close the zipper all the way up, there's a little button so you can close it up so that if someone goes to your zipper, you won't be naked immediately. And then next I want to try the Band-Aid bandage dress. So the tag is stuck in one of the ribs. It's like this, there's a little bottom part and it's a one-armed, and then you have a choker piece. So let's put it on. So I put it on and it's really, I'm lost for words. It's on the side over here and the choker bandage is attached to it, but there is so much space in between, and I don't know if that's because I have a really small neck or because they made it a little wider. And there are push buttons, so you can just easily unbutton it if you don't want it anymore and just let it hang or whatever you want. And you definitely need to wear white underwear underneath it, because I don't know if you can tell, but when I look in the mirror I can see my black block. And I feel the material feels a little like an actual band-aid. It's really itchy, especially around the arm, and you gotta be careful because the ribs are really easily extra ripped, because I showed you the tag that was attached to it, and yeah, so and then the next thing that I want to show you guys is the clown costume. And yeah, I'm really curious how the clown and the bat are gonna fit, because they are pantsless. So this is what it looks like. It has sleeves and it's like a shorts kind of idea. And the material feels, searching for the word right here. And on the inside, I feel like this is material that is gonna make you sweat, especially when you're a person that sweats a lot. Let's put it on. I do not feel comfortable right now. This is really short around the booty, and I have pretty big thighs, and it's just really tight around the thighs. So yeah, and I can't seem to close the zipper by myself. But all in all, I do like how it looks from up here. And as I said, the material is the kind of material that's gonna make you sweaty AF, because I am already doing it, so I'm getting this out as soon as I can. And yeah, it's around here, it's really itchy. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks on. And the next costume that I bought is a bat costume. It's literally just a bodysuit, so I think you should wear at least a skirt or some pants with it, but yeah, let's try it on. Okay, so yeah. So the material of this outfit really feels like the material of a real gymnastics costume. But I would recommend if you want to buy this to get it one size bigger, because I can't close it down. Because at the bottom it's like a real bodysuit. You have push buttons closed up, but it's not. I can't even go around my butt. So I would definitely recommend getting one size bigger than you normally do. Because yeah, well, at least this looks perfect. This is perfect, but as soon as I try to go down, it's horrible. So I put on a black skirt of my own so I can still show you guys how it looks. So last and hopefully not least, mermaid costume. And this comes with a bottom part and a top part and some jewelry. This is it, and you put it on your head. It is beautiful, I have to tell you that. It is gorgeous. This is the bottom part, and the first part is just tied, and then we have tulle. So I'm really excited to try it on. And then we have the bra part. See if it has built-in cups so that you don't have to wear a bra underneath. I believe it does, so that's good. Oh my god, it does. And it even has a little rubbery thingy so that it won't slip off. Let's try it on. And this is the last costume. So it is really comfortable to wear and it's really easy. It doesn't have zippers or buttons. You literally just slide it on. And yeah, I don't know what to say. It's just comfortable and easy, and you have your padding and then you have your shell above of it. So yeah, but it really doesn't do anything for the twins besides holding it into place. And the little rubbery thing around it makes sure that it doesn't slip off, so at least that's good. And I do love the little ruffles up top of here that also come back on the bottom. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like on. I would say that this is the comfiest of all of the outfits. So for me, the mermaid costume is definitely my favorite. So for me, it's the winner. Let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite costume was. And give this video a thumbs up to show me some love. And don't forget to subscribe if not already, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. I love you, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!